Hello everybody. So I got here is a new package. This is a big package, both figuratively and literally. I'll get to explain what I mean by literally, but let's go ahead and unbox the thing. Tore the shipping label off. Unbox this. I should just film it. Just go across that and see if I can tear it like that. Alright, here we go. First flap. Come on. Okay, not exactly. I'm gonna have to just box cutter. Right? And flap 1 and flap 2. Can't see it, but let's take it out. There's a power cord on it. That means it's something here. Well, there's something in here. If you guys can't tell what it is, we'll see it. Here we go. Power cord is sticking out. And, alright. Feel a rush of excitement here. Alright. Something big, guys. Here we go. And it's a fire alarm control panel. It's a Fire-Lite MS-2. Here it is in all its glory. It is locked. It came with its keys, which I already do have. So let's unlock the panel and let's show it off, and I'll probably power this thing on. Let me just, it's a little stiff, but here we go. Here it is, the MS-2. Comes with resistors, it comes with battery connector. I don't have batteries, so all I need to do is just turn it on. It is a little dirty, so I am going to clean this up and power cord.